Hi, my name is Addes Purazeni. I'm a Bachelor of Commerce student at Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies. This is my second year at Manav Rachna. Today, I'm going to share my internship journey with Manav Rachna International Institute. And I'm arriving at a new campus in a new country. The excitement was great, but so was the fear. With only Shona coming from Zimbabwe as my native language, I wondered how am I going to bridge the communication gap. I was very eager to take opportunities to look for internships, but the question lingered. How am I going? Am I going to be accepted? How am I going for it? How am I going to apply those internships? And how am I going to communicate? Then the second semester, I found my answer, the MRI impact. I did the application process, applied for the internship, and fortunately, I was placed with the CRC department and interned as a placement coordinator. There, I learned data management, I learned communication, networking, and the recruitment and liaising with the recruiters. Through the MRI impact, I was introduced to Dr. Krishna, a director at American Chemical Society Daily Charter. Thus, he offered us an opportunity to intern with the American Chemical Society during the summer. During that summer, I delved into scientific research, into deep tech, deep science, poster making, scientific writing, and scientific communication. We were also introduced to the Global Scientific Conference, the GSS. So I submitted my abstract titled AI for Health for poster presentation at the conference. We went to Mumbai to attend the same conference. There, the conference was a transformative one. I attended a lot of master classes from greenhouse gas accounting to scientific communication and poster presentation. There, I had an opportunity to network and collaborate with the different professionals from different countries because it was a global thing. So almost everyone from all the continents around the world, the 7 of them, I got an amazing opportunity to have a conversation with the American Chemical Society CEO, Mr. Howard, and to take some pictures and to communicate, to have dialogue conversations with the Dr. Sekato from America and a lot of presenters. So it's all thanks to the MRI impact that gave us an opportunity to stand at a global stage. And I'd like to introduce you to my friends that I went with for the Global Scientific Conference.
Hello, my name is Setfana Shamatope, a BTech student studying Electronics and Communication Engineering at Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies. I'm glad to have been an intern at American Chemical Society, and one of the privileges I got was attending the Global Scientific Conference in Mumbai. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Samuel Msemba. I'm a second year student at Manav Rachna. I was also part of the ACS team as an intern. I also attended the Global Scientific Conference.
Hello, my name is Florence Benuera, and I'm a student who's studying BSc Nutrition and Dietetics, and this is my second year. I'm glad I attended the GS conference.
Hello, I'm Chetan Kambate, a microbiology student. I'm one of those who attended the GSC conference under ACS. I was glad to attend that conference.
Hello, I'm Lavmo Marima, a second-year Bachelor of Commerce student at Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies. I also participated in the Global Scientific Conference, which was held in Mumbai. I was happy to join the ACS team. Thank you.